Based on official statistics, 350 people die every day while driving in low visibility conditions, such as snow, fog, rain, or just darkness. Hudway outlines the road with turn-by-turn directions and displays it right on the windshield. Drivers can now navigate the road with both hands on the wheel and the mind on driving. So what is so unique about this product? It seems like it's just another navigation application for a smartphone. But it's not just about navigation, it's about driver safety, which is our main philosophy. Just imagine, you download an app on your iPhone or Android for free, and it turns into a head-up display on your windshield, just like in a jet plane or a luxury car. And no other additional equipment required, just your cell phone, which is always with you in your pocket. Our application provides users with three main benefits: head-up display in any car, safety, and navigation. And all these three free of charge as an application on your smartphone. Join us, and together we will move mountains for a smooth road to success. Thank you.
Danger, wake up now.
Thanks, Ridy. That was close. It's easy to get sleepy and distracted after a long day of work or when you're driving long distance. That's why Ridy alerts you when you're getting sleepy, or when you start checking your phone and counting your likes. Ridy does everything to keep you focused on driving. Is it reading your mind? No, it's reading your face, using face tracking technology to detect when your eyes are not on the road. Don't worry, it's completely private. No internet connection needed, and it works day and night to keep you safe. Plus, it's so quick and easy to install, your grandma can nail it. Okay, Grandma. It's also great for professional drivers, truck drivers, young drivers, and parents. So unless you have a metal rock band to keep you awake, get Ridy. Do you guys do birthday parties? Created by a team of experienced engineers, Ridy is fully developed, tested, and ready for manufacturing. Join our crowdfunding campaign and let's make our roads safer.
We believe if there were improved communication between drivers, the road can become a better place. This idea led to our creation of CarWink, your faithful little driving companion. CarWink reinvents the way drivers communicate with each other.
CarWink, pedestrian crossing.
The hands-free voice control function allows for a safe and convenient communication between drivers. Fueled by the power of the sun, CarWink's solar charging means you will never have to worry about running out of juice. Built on the foundation of driver interaction, CarWink is here to relay your message and enhance driver relationships.
CarWink. Thank you.
We aim to minimize road rage and stress for drivers. Let CarWink's smile open up your horizons and show you a brand new adventure. What amazing journeys will you create with your CarWink?
You were there from the start. You watched her take her first steps, gave her her first set of wheels. But now she's grown and ready to explore the world. So, how do you keep her safe when you're not there to protect her? Introducing DashPal, an innovative dash cam that does more than watch the road. Here's how it works. DashPal sends an instant alert every time the car starts. And you can even track the car's route in real time. DashPal's camera features a wide field of view that captures every detail in full HD quality, offering you more protection in case of an accident. DashPal also gives you safety tools perfect for young drivers, like speed alert and boundary settings. If your driver goes over the speed limit or boundary area set by you, you'll be the first to know. DashPal stores your car's driving history with facts like distance, time traveled, and fuel cost. DashPal even saves an animated playback of your route, complete with markers that show over-acceleration and hard braking. DashPal is always on, even when your car is off. And with its reliable internal modem, you're always connected via DashPal's app. Ever wonder what that check engine light means? With DashPal, it's easy to find out. DashPal communicates directly with your car and runs a 100-point vehicle inspection, alerting you to any potential problems. Installing DashPal takes only a few minutes and can easily be done without special tools or know-how. DashPal gives you real-time information on your car's location, health, and safety. DashPal, because you care about your car.
Hey, Dad, I'm home.
And the driver.
Safety and confidence. What do we know about it? Sometimes you may think that you get everything planned, that you keep things under control. Then it happens.